Which shortcut key is used to insert a hyperlink in a document? What is the default file extension of MS Word 2010 documents? Which feature in MS Word allows you to combine letters and numbers into a table? Which of the following is not a font style? What is the shortcut key to open the Find dialog box in MS Word? Which command is used to save a document with a different name? What is the maximum zoom percentage available in MS Word? How do you apply bullet points in MS Word? Which key combination is used to align the text to the center? In MS Word, the header appears in which part of the document? What is the function of track changes in MS Word? What does the Ctrl+Z shortcut do in MS Word? What feature automatically moves text to the next line when it reaches the right edge of the screen? Which of the following can be inserted into a Word document? In MS Word, what is the function of the Styles tool? Which view shows how your document will look when printed? What does the Ctrl+Y shortcut do in MS Word? Which option is used to create a copy of a selected item? Which tab in MS Word contains the option to insert a table? How do you quickly move to the beginning of a document in MS Word? What is the default font used in MS Word 2010? Which key is used to start a new paragraph in MS Word? Which function is used to count the number of words in a document? What does the Format Painter tool do? Which of the following is used to change the orientation of a document? Which shortcut key is used to close a document? What is the use of the ruler in MS Word? How do you protect a document with a password in MS Word? Which of the following is not a page size option in MS Word? What is the use of the Find and Replace feature in MS Word?